Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to convert your JPG image into a PDF form. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your PC and then your browsers, whatever browser you have, and then go to the URL section. The same goes for phone. So, open any kind of browser that you have in your phone and then go to the URL section. Search for Tiny Wall and then go to this website. You can just use this website without signing up, but if you want to sign up, you can just click here, sign in, sign up, and then use your email, password, I'm not a robot, and then sign up. For us, we'll not use this because it is free. So basically, in order for us to convert our JPG to PDF, we just have to go to PDF, and you will find here two options. PDF to JPG, which is this one, so we can convert our PDF to a JPG image, and there is PDF to or JPG to PDF. So in our case, we will need this one. So I'm going to click on it. After that, we can just go to, for example, CV example, and then we can just, for example, download this image. So here we go, save image as, and let's try to find like an image that it is like image. So here we go. This is an image, and now I will go here, choose this one, and all I'm going to do is create PDF. I'm not a robot, and now it will start processing. Let's give it some time until it finishes the process. So here we go, it is processing now, turning everything into like a PDF. So here we go, let's wait for it. And this is actually really useful guys if you find any kind of PDF or like a CV that you liked and it was as an image, you can actually just download the image and turn it into a PDF. So download, save to this device, and here we go. So if I opened it, that's how it will look like. Now, if the quality of the image was better than that, the quality of the PDF itself will be even more better. But if the quality was bad like mine, it will be like so, which is really, really terrible. So it depends on the quality of the JPG image that you are going to use. So I guess that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.